Every day is a new adventure and a new opportunity for me to explore what I love. Aloha is a connection between people. I think it's all about discovering what makes you happy. And for me, that's the feeling I get when I go diving with friends and we're reminded of how beautiful the ocean really is. Aloha can have a lot of meanings, but I find it's most expressed when you connect with people around a shared love for being in nature. Part of that connection is just a sense of gratitude for what the ocean provides. Whether that's over a shared meal or an adventure under the waves. I'm always going to remember days like this. I think friendships are stronger when you bring that sense of aloha.